Today we are going to take a look at more Barbie Style Icon figures by Pop Mart. We opened a bunch of them in the previous video and I'm adding a link up here. And we were able to find 5 of the collectibles, with a few doubles. And today we are going to try our luck and see if we will be able to complete our collection. I really want to find jewel hair, but we have 4 boxes, so let's get to it. Let's pull this tab. And see what is inside. I wish that flap opens in one piece so we can recycle it, but it's okay. So we have our desiccant, and we have, oh, okay, I remember that we will have a glimpse of what's in this through this card. I want to surprise myself. Let's hope this is the jewel hair. Oh. Alright, we have the holographic card for 2001 Gem and Glam Barbie. Even if I'm not taking it out of the plastic, you can see it's holographic. And on the other side, it says Barbie. Okay, so we have this bag. And the stand. Oh, there's a bag in this. Okay, let's take a look. I'm glad that the plastic's already perforated, so taking it out is easy. And, why are there 2 bags? Huh. And we have this stand. Okay, pulling closer, you can see it says 2001 Gem and Glam. Alright, now let's open this bag. I've only seen this in pictures. Oh. Oh, wow. She is pretty. The original doll this is based on, I believe, had the Christie face mold, and I can see the likeness, even though her face is very small. She has brown eyes, light blue eyeshadow, and pink lip color. She also has long blue hair with bangs, and here on the back you can see that there's a section here that's black, and her clothing, wow. This is just like the felt or the flocking used for the Silken Flame, but this one's purple. She has a blue top, and it's the same shade as her shoes, and she also has this silver skirt. All details are molded on. I'm consulting this picture and it only shows 1 bag, so I guess we got an extra. So let's put this in her hand. Okay, that looks good. And let's put her on her stand. I was hoping she'd have a microphone just like in the promo pictures, but she doesn't come with one, but that's okay. And here she is. From the base, our figure measures about 5.5 inches. I'm loving the tiny details. Let's make way for figure number 2. Will this be jewel hair? I hope so. Jewel hair, jewel hair, jewel hair. Okay, the desiccant. And, oh, okay. Definitely day to night. The bag. And the card. So we already saw the bag, and yeah, I instantly recognized that. So here is the card for our second figure. This is Day to Night Barbie. Here's what the card looks like on the back. And here are some of the stuff she comes with. So we have the stand, of course. It says, let me focus that a little bit. There you go. 1985, A Day to Night Barbie. And we have this. Oh, this is so cute. It's a teeny tiny suitcase. This is open. I'm afraid to force it. I'm seeing that there's a seam. Yeah, I don't think this opens. I'm not going to force it. So cute. And of course, okay, the bag that contains, wow, that's all I can say. I'm loving the tiny details on this doll. You can see that she's wearing her signature outfit, the iconic work outfit. And aside from that, look at that ring. I wish I had the full-size Barbie, but she's so hard to find these days. And looking at all these details, it's amazing how they're able to shrink her down to this scale. So our figure has long, curly blonde hair. And let's look at her face. So she's got blue eyes, pink lip color, and she is wearing this hat. Her little shoulder bag is molded on. This is really cool. And of course, let's not forget her iconic white pumps with pink heels and pink tips. Let's see how she looks with the suitcase in her hand. Oh my god. Oh my god. Right, let's put her on her stand. No, I love miniatures. This is so cool. These pictures could be mini Barbies. Let's cut this side with the pictures. And I'm just gonna cut these individually with my cutter. Well, that took a good amount of time. Then let's cut chips of hot glue. I cut a total of 10. And I got this scrap piece of foam board measuring 1 by 3 inches. Then I poke 10 pins all the way through like so. Flip it over. And I'm just going to push our glue chips on the pointed ends. It now looks like this. I'm going to paint this next. I will be using silver. Actually, it was supposed to be white, but I realized I'm already out of white paint, so this'll do. And anyway, the stands actually look a little pearlescent, so I guess silver should be fine. So after a few minutes, our glue chips are already dry. I'm gonna take one off of the pin, and let's, I lost my cutter. There it is. Okay, so I'm going to cut a slit here. And let's add our cutout to make a mini Barbie would stand. And here are all of the minis that we made. I think they look so cute. They look like a perfect mini for our minifigures. And it looks absolutely even cuter with an actual doll. Okay, so we're still on our third box. Will we get the jewel hair? Here's a card. Okay, let's see. Ah! Yes, we got it! Just a second. The bag. Okay, let's see what else we have in here. No accessories, but just a stand. Okay. Let's open this bag. And right here you can see 1995 jewel hair mermaid Barbie. Pardon my hand, it's really dry here where I am. I'm going to take this bag. I'm so excited to see what she looks like. Here we go. Y'all, she is pretty. Wow. Jewel hair mermaid, finally. I was hoping to find her in our last unboxing, but we didn't, so getting her today is such a nice surprise. Well, as what you can tell from my reaction, she is really pretty in person. So she has long off-white hair, looks like white blonde. Actually looks like it has an iridescent finish to it, like pearlescent. And she's wearing her golden crown, her gold earrings, she's holding this gold star, and wow, you can see that in her hair, she has all of these stars, just like the original doll. And oh my gosh, the tail. The tail! Let me zoom that in. Oh my god. I am so happy to finally have her. Alright, I'm going to set her aside and let's open the last one. Okay, I'm hoping that we will get the birthday one. It's a long shot. Okay, here's a card. Which one is it? Oh my, okay, Barbie Extra. Okay, this is the exact figure that's on the box. Let's see what she comes with. So here is a bag. Oh, there's a pet. And, okay, there's a little desiccant. We don't need that. Let's open this bag first. So here you can see your stand says Barbie Extra. And then we have the pet. I think this is a poodle. It's pink and oh my god, it's so cute. It's wearing a groovy sunglasses. It's gold. And it's got black bows. Wow. Okay. And our last bag. Wow. Wow. Wait, now that I think of it, it's almost like we already completed our collection, minus the birthday Barbie. And I'm cool with that. So this one has the same color of hair as the mermaid one. It's lighter. And it's got this pink streaks running down the entire length of her hair. Oh, she has bangs. She has a high ponytail. She has these gold hoop earrings, and she has a lot of necklaces. And she's holding okay. Well, it's a bag, right? That's a bag. I think this one peels off to reveal a mirror, but I am not going to do that to avoid damage. But I like that it's already molded on. Well, I'm not going to try to remove it, but you can see that she's wearing the glossy pink outfit, just like the original doll. And she has these ribbons on her legs, and in the original doll, it's like a mesh stocking with the ribbon prints all over. And the shoes, look at the shoes. I love it. All right, let's put her on the stand. I like that it almost looks like it's faux leather, but it's not. It's actually plastic. It's molded on. And let's have her pet in front. These are all of our figurines from part 1 and part 2 combined, and even though we haven't found the birthday Barbie figure, I'm totally fine completing 90% of our collection. My top 3 favorite is Barbie Extra, followed by Jewel Hair, and of course my top 1 is still Silken Flame. Thank you for joining us in the second part of unboxing Pop Mart Style Icon figures and doing a little recycling to make these tiny Barbies. Let me know in the comments down below which of our Style Icon figures is your favorite. Follow us on Facebook and Instagram at Ty's Collectibles and give us a like, share this video, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. We'll see you next time.